might have got caught on camera. Shit.
No girls?
No, me saying that.
But you're gonna cut it out, right?
Nah. I tell you, man, once I download everything, I just throw it on there. Like, man, I ain't gonna do all that.
That's crazy. That's crazy. So you know the thing about things around, right? You just have to decide with the lady.
Yeah.
It's not like you just have to know what sort of ladies you like.
So I hope y'all listening to that for the guys that's watching.
Yo, like in terms of beauty.
So now this is MTN. This is the place you're gonna have to get a SIM card in the airport. Get the very smallest package, because what they sell outside of the airport is not the same as what they sell in the airport. And the reason why I'm telling you this is, so every time there's load shedding here, there's any power issue, I would lose 80% of my data, meaning my data would just disappear. So it's going to become more expensive, and that's why I'm telling you to go to Vodacom after you get settled into South Africa. And don't wait like 4 months like I did. Just go straight away, get the 100 gig data, and save yourself some money. Oh, shoot. Yeah, Mr. Price is just African, homegrown staple.
Guys sell nice girls.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, they sell like, I mean, this place really has every type of place. Like it is everywhere. There's no way that you can go around and not find somebody.
So Wimpy's is like a diner?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is Wimpy's, guys. It's a diner.
Yeah.
I thought it was a hamburger joint all this time. So this will be equivalent to our, I think it's equivalent to our Denny, is what it'll be equivalent to. Let me check in here real quick, bro.
You the money are.
I want to see what hard drives and stuff they have.
Oh, hard drive.
Yeah.
I've been trying to get that one too.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going, boss? You have any external hard drives?
External hard drive, of course. Which part of America you from?
See, this is a good dude. He picked up right away, I'm American. He didn't ask the crazy question. You South African? No one on this continent has my accent. Texas, brother.
Texas.
Yeah.
How many terabytes are you looking for?
What all do you have?
I do have the 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, and 4 terabytes.
Oh, okay.
Depending on the brand you want to go for as well. On the Western Digital, I only have the 1 and the 2. Toshiba's, I've got the 1, 2, and 4.
Oh, okay.
So 1 terabyte is going for $999.
Okay.
I'm also running a special. Am I still running that special? It's only 2 terabyte, which is also going for $999.
Okay. How much is the 4 terabyte?
4 terabyte is going for. That we have to double check. Yeah.
So the reason why I'm checking now, I'm talking to the camera. The reason why I'm checking now on the prices is they have Black Friday here. So in Black Friday, they're going to have different discounts. So just to see what it is, regular price, and then check it out Black Friday.
It's 2,100.
Okay, so 2,100. That's like $120. So that's a really good price for 4 terabytes. Okay, that's good to go.
Hey, like shooting a documentary or something?
Just showing people South Africa, and then whenever I'm traveling.
What's up, yo? It's your boy, though, you know.
So,
It's your boy. Yeah.
this is what I want y'all to see. Like, it's a lot of love here. Like, there's no reason to be afraid to come into South Africa. It's a great place. You're going to blend in. The biggest problem you're going to have here, somebody's going to walk up to you speaking a language you have no clue because they think you're African, and then as soon as you speak, their eyes is going to bright up. So like how he talked to me right off, most people will just sit there and look.
Yeah, most definitely.
Okay, they got the power banks too. That, and then for the camera, because I have another battery coming from Cape Town.
Is it a Ramos though? Because Ramos would be like one of the best brands you can go for when it comes to power banks. Personally, I do believe.
Oh, okay.
Especially these. These would be a bit heavy to carry, but
Oh,
if you
okay.
have like a backpack that can carry that, definitely would go for that. Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah, that's a.
Heavy, yeah.
How much is that one? The 40.
That one is going for 899. Yeah.
899.
Yes, sir.
Let me get that, brother. So the reason why I'm getting that, yes, it's heavy, but that power bank will charge up the camera when I'm recording really fast. It's a fast charge and it's going to work good. And so $8.99, we're talking about maybe anywhere from $35 to $40 US to give you the price. I will say this: the US do have better power banks. However, once you start traveling over time, after a couple of years, your power bank just going to wear out. So you're going to have to invest in another good one if you're a nomad like me. And then also, like, when you have good people giving you good service, showing you love, you know, it'll be all right. All right, take your time, brother. And like, if you see when I'm spending when I'm investing or circulating money into businesses, I'm investing in the person because the person is what really sold me. It's very easy for me to just go online and order stuff. So when I go into a shop and invest, it's because the person made me want to invest. And as someone who does marketing, when I get good customer service, I'm most likely going to buy something. And so I definitely recommend Computer Mania. Then what's your name, brother?
My name is Edwin.
The man.
Edwin, the boy.
Edmund. The boy Edmund. And see, this is what I love about South Africa, man. It's just the same as Black America. Nothing different. It's love. And if you just show respect, you be good to people, people going to do the same to you.
Most definitely. Most definitely.
Just holding it. Let me see how much battery I have. So I'm going to stop right now. I'm going to charge the camera up.